Cleaning hardwood and tile floors with a traditional or steam mop is effective but can be tiresome. A robot mop can save you time and effort by doing the hard work for you. Similar to robot vacuums, these machines can refresh your floors in between thorough cleanings, extending the time between manual mopping. They also help by routinely removing crumbs and dust, which is especially helpful if you have kids or pets. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 best robot vacuum and mop combo and their key features plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So let's get started. Number 6. Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Shark Matrix Plus is a highly versatile cleaning solution specifically designed to meet the needs of pet owners dealing with the constant challenges of food, fur, and mud around the house. This reliable and efficient robot mop performs exceptionally well for daily maintenance and quick touch-ups. One of its most impressive features is the Spot Clean mode, which can be controlled through a user-friendly app. This mode allows you to easily identify a 3-foot by 3-foot area that requires extra cleaning attention. It is particularly effective for high-traffic areas and spills. The vacuum function comes equipped with a HEPA filter that efficiently captures fur, dander, and other small allergens, ensuring a cleaner and healthier environment for yourself and your pets. The mopping function of this robot is comparable to the performance of a steam mop but requires significantly less hands-on effort. The inclusion of clean-edge technology ensures that even tight areas are efficiently cleaned, leaving your floors spotless. While it may not be entirely perfect and could occasionally leave behind some debris in corners, this robot mop is still an incredibly thoughtful machine. Its convenient scheduling feature, along with its overall impressive cleaning abilities, make it an excellent addition to any pet owner's home. One area where this robot mop could see an improvement is the addition of a self-empty function for the mop setting. However, the inclusion of reusable mop pads is a notable bonus for those who are mindful of waste. Overall, we enthusiastically give this machine 2 thumbs and paws up for its remarkable performance and its ability to make pet owners' lives significantly easier. Number 5. Ecovacs D-Bot X2 Combo Complete. The Ecovacs D-Bot X2 is a highly advanced robot vacuum mop that excels in dealing with pet hair. Boasting an impressive 8,700 pascal suction power, this device effortlessly and efficiently eliminates pet hair, dirt, and debris from all kinds of flooring surfaces, ensuring a thorough and deep clean. The standout feature of this product is the Combo Complete model, which comes with a cordless vacuum that has a self-emptying function in the charging dock. In my personal experience with this product, I observed that it performed exceptionally well in maintaining clean floors, especially when dealing with pet hair and muddy paw prints. This was made possible by its strong suction power and effective mopping functionality. If you possess furniture that is closer to the ground, or if there are areas in your living space with substantial dirt and debris accumulation, particularly beneath bar stools and chairs, then this robot is an excellent choice. Its square design and compact 12.6-inch width enable it to effortlessly maneuver through narrow and tight spaces. Moreover, this Ecovacs robot is equipped with self-cleaning, self-emptying, self-drying, and self-refilling capabilities, effectively functioning as a 2-in-1 machine for vacuuming and mopping. This feature set significantly reduces the hassle associated with maintaining cleanliness in your living environment. Number 4. Roomba Combo J9 Plus Best Robot Vacuum Mop for Multiple Flooring Surfaces. If your home has rugs, carpet, tile, laminate, or hardwood, the Roomba Combo J9 Plus is the 2-in-1 machine for you, thanks to its retractable mop head. You never have to worry about a dirty mop head getting dragged across your favorite rug because the Combo J9 Plus lifts the entire mop head on top of the robot when cleaning your soft flooring surfaces. iRobot OS technology and precision vision navigation ensure the Roomba Combo J9 Plus avoids furniture, cords, and other common household objects. It not only avoids kids' toys, our shoes, and other items, but the Pet Owner Official Promise, POP, states the Combo J9 Plus is guaranteed to avoid pet waste, or the company will send you a new one for free. Talk about having some serious confidence in your product. Additionally, it's self-emptying for up to 60 days, and, my favorite feature of all, it knows when the dustbin is full, even in the middle of a job. I can set the Combo J9 Plus to vacuum my entire house, and it empties itself as many times as needed to complete the job. The Combo J9 Plus also refills its water tank as needed, meaning the robot can complete jobs without manual intervention. Number 3. Noesis Florio Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Many robot mops use reusable mopping pads, and some even wash and dry the pads after the robot returns to the base. The Noesis Florio is unique in that it uses disposable pads, and it changes the pad automatically at the end of each cleaning session. The Florio is a vacuum and mop combo, and it navigated our 2-room obstacle course faster than many of the other units we've tested. The vacuum did a great job priming the floors for mopping, removing an average of 96% of dirt in our bare floor tests. You can set it to vacuum and mop at the same time, or perform them separately. This model discards its mopping pads rather than cleaning and reusing them, and you don't need to worry about washing them manually. The dirty pads are dropped into a waste drawer at the end of their lifespan, and you can control exactly how often it changes the pad with the app. The base automatically empties the robot's dustbin into a larger bag that only needs to be replaced every few weeks, and it refills the water tank in the robot from a larger reservoir too. During our tests, we did notice that the Florio occasionally leaves droplets of water behind as it mops, so be mindful not to walk behind it unless you like wet socks. Number 2. Samsung JetBot Mop. Even though Samsung's JetBot Mop is the cheapest unit on this list, it is full of useful features like 8 different cleaning modes that can be accessed with a remote control. Its most unique trick is that it can be used on walls too. The handle at the top of the device allows for easy holding to scrub vertical surfaces like tiles in the kitchen and bathroom. One expert in our lab brought this model home, putting it up to the test against their household messes. Impressed with its performance, they continued to use it to maintain their vinyl kitchen flooring. Its 100-minute runtime is noteworthy, and the double water tanks make floor cleaning possible without refilling or stopping to recharge. The reusable wet cleaning and buffing pads are machine washable and appeared brand new after washing, even after cleaning up messy stain-causing spills in our tests. The JetBot uses a remote control instead of an app, which may be a drawback for some, but it's great for anyone who doesn't feel like having to reach for their phone to get their cleaning done. The JetBot's slim design makes it easy to store, and while it doesn't have the sophisticated self-cleaning bases of some other robot mops we've tested, it does come with a drip tray for storage. It can sense when it's coming too close to furniture or carpeting, but you'll have to physically block off rooms you want it to avoid and manually shut it off when it's finished cleaning. Number 1. iRobot Braiva Jet M6. The iRobot Braiva Jet M6 is a reliable and effective robot mop that pairs perfectly with iRobot's line of robot vacuums. Known for its quiet and efficient cleaning, this model has received overwhelmingly positive online reviews from consumers and has impressed our experts with its performance. The Brava's square design enables it to reach into tight corners and effectively mop along baseboards, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning experience. Its capability to utilize warm water simplifies the process of eliminating dirt and stubborn stains, ultimately leaving floors impeccably clean and sparkling. The Braiva Jet M6 robot is designed to efficiently clean your home. It features a convenient self-charging capability, allowing it to return to its charging dock when the battery needs recharging or the water reservoir needs refilling. This ensures uninterrupted cleaning, so you can enjoy a consistently clean home. The robot is capable of cleaning up to 1,000 square feet on a single charge, providing extensive coverage. Additionally, its easy-to-remove mopping pads make maintenance a simple and hassle-free task. While the Braiva Jet M6 is dedicated to mopping and does not have vacuuming capabilities, it can be paired with select Roomba models to complement their vacuuming function. This allows for a comprehensive cleaning experience, with the Braiva Jet M6 taking care of mopping after the Roomba has completed vacuuming. Alternatively, the robot can be used for sweeping by utilizing disposable electrostatic pads to effectively clean up dry debris. It's important to note that when the sweeping pads are in use, no water is dispensed onto the floors, providing flexibility in cleaning options. Discover the ultimate robot vacuum and mop combo. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. Do you have any questions or suggestions for our next review, or just want to chat? Feel free to leave a comment below. Your input is highly valued, and we love engaging with our audience. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to join our tech tribe. We've got some amazing content lined up for you, so get ready for an exciting journey. Until next time, keep rocking, Stay safe, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out.